If your 2006 Ford Ranger clicks but refuses to turn over, we can isolate the failure in just 5 simple steps. Statistics show that 8 out of 10 starting issues on this truck platform trace back to the battery or corroded terminals. Let us break down the diagnostics process from the simplest fix to the more complex hardware failures. Start by checking your battery voltage, cleaning the terminals, and ensuring the engine ground strap is not loose or rusted. If the power is good, look closer at the starter solenoid or the ignition switch, as these often wear out over time. Don't ignore the fuel pump relay or the neutral safety switch, which can prevent the engine from cranking entirely. You can handle most battery and relay issues at home, but internal starter or computer faults usually require professional equipment. As you can see, costs vary wildly, so verify your diagnosis before buying expensive parts like a new starter motor. If it still won't start, perform a voltage drop test on the starter cable to rule out high resistance in the wiring. Keep a multimeter, a wire brush, and a metric socket set in your truck to handle these common starting issues. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching the starter to avoid dangerous shorts. Most Ranger starting problems are simple, so take your time, stay safe, and check the basics before heading to the shop.